Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I'm going to break down for you how you can enable and use the reading mode in Google Chrome really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. It is super beginner friendly, guys, so without further ado, let us get started with it right away. So what you want to do is open Google Chrome, of course, and to access the reading mode, all you will need to do is, for example, click on these three dots here in the top right corner, and after that, hover your mouse over more tools here. And from that drop-down menu to the left, simply select reading mode. After that, the reading mode with your reading list will pop up here on the right panel. So basically, for what you want to do, guys, is access any website you like so that you may read the content of the given website in the reading mode here, zoomed in here in your reading list. So what you want to do is, for example, access, let me go, let's say to Amazon.com, just for the sake of this tutorial. And let me head over to their homepage and pick a product. I don't know which one, for example, that display here. It's just an example anyway. And after that, what you will need to do, guys, is simply highlight the text you would like to read in the reading mode. Like, let's go, for example, with the product description. And you will see the reading mode or the text, highlighted text here on the reading list so that you may read it. As you can see, it has been zoomed in. So it makes it a lot easier for you to read it, for example, if you have myopia or something like that. So that's basically it. Here at the top, you will see a tab with various customization tools. For example, you may change the font here or zoom in, zoom out, or make the font larger, change the font size, of course, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, it is no rocket science at all. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.